Okay, welcome back to New Guinea Bricks and Brick Machines. Successful training. Almost an hour into the training, the guys have already picked up on how to handle the manual mold brick maker. The trainer carried out successfully on the ratio, and they've already successfully completed 14, 16, 18, 20 bricks within 30 minutes. This is the successful training we carried out, and it's an indication of successful products. So I believe you guys can see it's an indication of how the successful training been carried out, and the guys already understand the process of making their own bricks. This is New Guinea Bricks and Brick Machines' vision to help Papua New Guineans to own a small-scale brick making equipments and have the knowledge on how to produce their own bricks for building and construction, and also for sales too. So this is the Eglair mobile brick machine. We are specialized at fabricating and building the 2 drops Eglair mobile brick machines and 5 drops Eglair mobile brick machines. So if you're interested, kindly contact us at New Guinea Bricks and Brick Machines. Thank you.